greatest chance of survival are the bunkers in Greenland. Beirut! Why does your car go faster?
Just this.
I'm breaking left!
Hello everyone, it's Cine Select. So get your popcorn and let's get right into it. 2026 is said to be a fantastic year for action thriller movies with an incredible selection of films promising non-stop thrills, jaw-dropping stunts and edge of your seat tension. In this video, we will count down the brand new action movies that need to be on your watch list. Now let's start the video, but first smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestion. Number 7. The Internship.
Let's go meet your mom.
Someone set us up.
Well, you just gonna shoot me now?
A highly trained assassin recruited from a secret CIA childhood program called the Internship, who leads a violent uprising with fellow graduates to destroy the organization that sapped them, forcing the CIA to fight back with deadly force to stop them. Explores a world of clandestine operation, blacks of agent and surveillance where secrets come at a deadly price. Number 6. Mercy. Detective Chris Damon, played by Chris Pratt, who is accused of murdering his wife and must prove his innocence to an advanced AI judge, played by Ravika Ferguson, within 90 minutes or face execution, all while battling the very technology he once championed. Explores the clash between human institution and the cold logic of AI. Number 5. Shelter. Mason, played by Jason Statham, a reclusive man living on a remote Scottish island who rescues a young girl from a storm, only to unleash a deadly conflict with his past, forcing him out of hiding to defend his isolated home against warring pursuers, leading to a tense survival story, blending redemption and unexpected fatherhood. Number 4. The Rip. A team of cops who discover a stash of millions in cash buried in an empty safe house, a finding that attract lethal enemies and fracture a bond between their team members as everyone wonder who can truly be trusted. Exploring between heroism and vengeance, merging dramatic human struggle with gripping action-driven suspense. At number 3. The Wrecking Crew. Two arranged half-brothers, Johnny played by Jason Momoa and James played by David Bautista, who are forced to reunite after their father's mysterious death. As they search for the truth, buried secrets reveal a conspiracy threatening to tear their family apart. At number 2. Crime 101. Mike Terris, played by Chris Hemsworth, a master jewel thief planning one last big score whose path intertwines with a disillusioned insurance broker. Sharon Calvin, played by Halle Berry, who finds herself drawn into the thief's world, needing an escape from her own troubles, blurring the lines between hunter and hunted in a high-stake game of cat and mouse. Expose the convergence of these lives. Number 1. Greenland to Migration. The British family, 5 years after the comet impact, who are forced out from their Greenland bunker by disaster and journeying across a ruined Europe facing radiation, storms and desperate survival to reach a rumored safe haven, the massive Clark Comet crater in southern France, where life might be rebuilding. The family travels through a ravaged continent, encountering hazard-like volcanic activity, electromagnetic storms, and hostile pockets of humanity.